In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on Slack. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Add Apps, and then you're gonna have to install this app, which is called Simple Poll. And after that, what you're gonna have to do, so simply click on Add to Slack. We're gonna use this app to create our poll. So let me go to my Gmail and let's see. So this is the code and let's paste it here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply select here. So I'm gonna go with personal project. Here I'm gonna go with other, and then I'm gonna enable this, and then let's continue like this. Now as you can see here, we have a simple tutorial about how we can use this app. And let's go back here, and now we should have the poll app. So as you can see, we have the bot, and now all you have to do is simply type in poll, and then here, as you can see, you're gonna have to simply start typing. And as you can see here, we can edit this poll, and here we can add, as you can see, question or topic 1+1, and then we have option 1, another option, and then let's preview this, and this is how it's gonna look like. And then let's click on create poll, and as you can see, we have the poll and we can simply answer. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.